This video is brought to you by catbeast.com. Design your own custom snapbacks and hats.
What a man again. I can't take the stress, you know. At the second time this for the month the man are coming up. I'ma know a disconnect him a come for disconnect. My day for day home. My broker now no money, you know. That's why I come cut off my water, you know. Channel star. Shop me I come from see the man I'm a meter, you know. I'm there for hurry up and try for go beg him, you know. And all the beg me, I beg him, the man I tell myself no, him cannot help me because I'm in job. Still I beg because I can't afford for water for cut off. So the man all chop me in my face, yo. Yo, me have to beg this man for don't cut off water, but him still end up cut off water and keep me down too. Right now, I don't know what to do, you know. I'm thirsty, the sun hot, I want beard. I need to find myself a work right now. I start work with a man with them called Uncle Tom. Uncle Tom used to pick up the garbage and put in the barrel and make me go empty them. Never too like Uncle Tom, you know. Be work Uncle Tom used to give me. Chop out grass, sun a beat in your skin, but you still have to do the work and you know, see you want to get paid. Plow some concrete ground. Daytime when I get like a water break, it's like no water in the pipe, yo. Like Uncle Tom no pay him water bill to yo. Sun a beat, sweat a bust. Till me I'll have to drink my sweat stars. Right now I don't know what me I gotta do. I'm frustrated. My water gone. I can't drink no water. I want beer and the sun hot. I can't bother no more. I don't know what to do no more. I can't bother, you know. I try to woman there with her water. Wish they even know, but I just drain the whole buckle right now to I'm thirsty. With them all dry star. Daytime now, you know. I mean I got to Uncle Tom for my money, you know. After so much hard work a day. Uncle Tom I got tell me say he can't pay me now. But Uncle Tom expect me to go do. I can't, but I know I hate this, you know. I'm done with it, you know. Jump me and I jump off, you know. Life too hard. Imagine you struggle for work 5 days a week and can't get paid a weekend time or month end time. What kind of life this then? This no fear. I'm gonna end my life right now. I see like say nobody no care about me. Life enough for me. It's like God send the money for come rescue me. Like God never want me to go away yet. Must be a miracle. Cause me about to jump and this man come save my life. By the time he come down off of the railing of the water that I roll for go drop downstairs, could afford feed drop. So I had to save it. It was a miracle from above. It's like God want to quench my thirst. Never want me to make that jump there. Cause He knows say I'm destined for greatness. I may have a lot of things ahead I need to achieve and accomplish. But I need to find out who was that good Samaritan. Cause that man saved my life. I started running down the stairs, eager to see who this good Samaritan was. But I was astonished on what happened when I saw him when I turned the corner. He disappeared. He left without me saying thank you.
attack. Say KyngTaj not gonna make it anything him try. The devil is a liar. KyngTaj tell them the devil is a liar. And let's better represent KyngTaj. When I say my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream, my dream. KyngTaj, salute, Nesbet, Rasta.
So be call and jack. Me burdens, me put them all on jack.